Hello everybody, it's Tuesday the 13th of April. We're standing in the outdoor dining area. The stucco has been completed up in this area. They're working on a couple fire alarm things with an inspection tomorrow. And this area should be ready for the tongue and group ceiling. In the casual dining area, the priming and first coat of paint is done. They're in there marking areas of drywall deficiencies that need to be touched up before we put the final coat of paint on. The grid guys were in this week. We've got the grid all buttoned up in the kitchen area. We've dropped all the tile perimeter cuts in, everything we could put in. Again, we need that final inspection from the fire marshal before we can walk away from that and drop all the tile. The area in the two dining area has been framed out. We've got some rough inspections we have to get there, and then we can hang the drywall in there and finish button up the chandelier room in the end of dining 202. So that pretty much takes care of what's going on up here. The tile guys were supposed to show up and get the bathrooms done over the weekend. I don't have a good answer for that, but we're pushing to get them back here. By the time they get the tile done there, get the bar done, we'll come out here and we'll put the pavers down in this area. If we're working tongue and group downstairs, we'll put the paver tile up here, or vice versa. Either way, we'll keep the flooring rolling till they get all done with everything. So that's kind of the game plan on what's going on up here. You can see the scaffold has been removed from the outside of the building. All the exterior stucco is now done. We've got a little bit of painting to do around the corner as soon as the stucco is cured long enough to put the paint on it. And then the big event downstairs this week is the flooring applicating crew is in. They mobilized today, and they'll be grinding the entire area where the cart path goes through the building, and then the rest of the area for cart parking. Prepping that by the end of this week, that the cart lanes will be treated and done, and then the following week they'll come back. They'll get everything over on the west side of the addition and end. Then they'll prep the area where we moved all of our material. We'll move back over, and they'll finish everything down there. So by the end of next week, all of the flooring should be complete down in the cart barn area, and then we can bring the bag racks and all the other things that go in there to finish that space out. So that's what's going on out there. We were supposed to start the concrete work out on the west side this week. The 2 inches of rain we had Sunday kind of pushed things back, made things a little wet, pushed back the concrete guys, so I'm waiting for a rescheduled date on that. But that stuff is upcoming, and it's really not impacting us at this point. And that lets us finish this out. So that's what we got going on this week. It's not as exciting as I was hoping for, but tune in next week. I'm sure that we'll make up what we lost and get a little more done. Thank you. Bye.